Welcome to this video on sessions and users, core concepts in website analytics. We'll explore how websites track visitor interactions and measure user engagement. Whether you're new to web development, digital marketing, or analytics, understanding sessions is crucial for analyzing website performance and user behavior. A session is a group of user interactions with your website within a given time frame. Typically, a session ends after 30 minutes of inactivity. During a single session, a visitor might perform various actions such as viewing multiple pages, clicking buttons, or submitting forms. Think of it as one visit to your website, starting from when someone arrives and ending when they leave or become inactive. Sessions follow a four-step process. First, a unique session ID is generated when a visitor arrives at your website. Second, this ID is stored either as a cookie in the user's browser or in a server database. Third, all user actions during that visit are tracked and linked to this session ID. Finally, the session ends when the user logs out or after 30 minutes with no activity. This ID allows the website to recognize and track individual visits. There are four essential metrics related to sessions. Sessions is the total number of visits to your website. Session duration is the average time spent per visit. Pages per session measures how many pages a visitor views during one visit. Bounce rate is the percentage of sessions where visitors only view a single page and leave. These metrics help you understand how visitors interact with your website. Websites use three primary techniques to track sessions. The first method is cookies, where a session ID is stored on the user's browser and sent with each request. The second is tokens, specifically JSON web tokens, which contain user information and expiration dates. The third is server storage, where session data is kept on the website's server with a unique ID as reference. Each method has different security and scalability advantages. To protect user sessions, websites follow important security practices. First, strong session IDs should be unpredictable and random with sufficient complexity. Second, sessions should automatically time out after 15 to 30 minutes of inactivity. Third, always use HTTPS connections to prevent session IDs from being intercepted. Finally, set the HTTP only and secure flags on cookies to prevent unauthorized access from scripts or unsecured connections. Sessions are used in many practical scenarios. In e-commerce, sessions track shopping carts and wish lists so items stay saved as you browse. In user accounts, sessions maintain your login status so you stay logged in while navigating the site. In analytics, sessions track user behavior, conversions, and engagement patterns to help businesses understand how visitors use their websites and improve user experience. Here are the main points to remember. Sessions track user interactions within a specific time frame to identify unique visits. Sessions end after 30 minutes of inactivity or when a user logs out. Session IDs are stored using cookies, tokens, or server-side databases. Strong security practices are essential to prevent session hijacking and unauthorized access to user data. Understanding sessions is fundamental to web development and digital analytics.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.